are tired of paying for their cadre deployment.
Ba ipakanyetsa go tsela ntwa ya bone kwa lekokong le le busang. Lekoko kganetso le leng la bobedi ka bogolo kwa parlamenteng la re go lekane. Seno se tla jaaka naga e le mo legatong la borataro la kgaogo e rulagantsweng ya motlakase. Tlhatlogo ya dipersente di le 18.65 ya motlakase e atleganisitswe ke NERSA mo bekeng eno le yona e etegetsa maemo. Eskom e ne e kopile tlhatlogo ya dipersente di le 32. DA ga e kgatlhiwe ke sepe sa diphetogo tseno mme ya re e tla leba kwa mebileng go gwantela kwa dikantorokgolo tsa ANC.
It is at the Lithuli House where over the past 3 decades the decisions were made to deploy the corrupt and incompetent cadres who plundered and destroyed Eskom. It is at the Lithuli House that corrupt tenders were handed out, including for the ill-fated construction of the Medupi and Kusile power stations that have cost our country so dearly.
Kgabagare naga e santse e imetswe ke ditlhwatlhwa tse di kwa godimo tsa botshelo le botlhokatiro. Makoko kganetso a re go tlhatlosiwa ga tlhwatlhwa ya motlakase go tlile go etegetsa mathata mo nageng.
This increase will further delve our people into extreme poverty and impact on the livelihoods which are already affected for a service that is not even being rendered efficiently as we are continuously on stage 6 rolling blackouts.
This increase will further harm the already damaged economy. Many businesses will close their doors. Many people are going to lose their jobs.
To think that South Africans will now have to pay more for the electricity they are not even using because there is always load shedding is deplorable. Our view as the National Freedom Party is that these hikes are a deliberate move by those calling for the privatization of Eskom to succeed.
This increase will cause an untold misery for many South Africans who are already suffering under the high level rate of unemployment. Load shedding has caused so much havoc.
There is nothing tangible that has been done by the National Energy Crisis Committee that was established by the President in August 2022. This is clear indication that the government does not have a solution when it comes to this current crisis.
Ga jana sekoloto sa Eskom se balelwa go diranta di le dibilione di le 400.